Welcome back everyone. In this video, I want to show you the new feature of Spotify, which is called Only You on your iPhone. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you enjoy these kind of videos and turn on bell notification. If this video helps you out, then please hit that like button and let me know in the comment section down below. Spotify has recently released the Only You feature, which shows how unique your listening tastes are, and it gives you a musical astrology reading as well. So let me show you how to do it. First of all, go into your app store and make sure your Spotify app is updated to the latest version. Now, once it is updated, open the app. You'll come to this home screen of Spotify. Now tap on search, and on the search tab, you should see your personalized Only You feature. Tap on it. Now your Only You list will start playing, and you can wait for the page to finish just like an Instagram story, or tap on the right side of the screen to progress further. You'll see at the top how many pages there are to show. This is something similar to Spotify Rap feature. Music is being played in the background, but I have to mute the music for copyright purpose. So the Only You feature compares all the songs and artists you have saved and notes which one are the most different from one another and which combination sets you apart from other users. Spotify claims it has done this by analyzing every user's music taste, and it picks out the songs or artists that you listen together. You might also get a music astrology reading, however I didn't get one, and a page where you can find special playlists made just for you. On the 6th or the 7th page, you'll be asked to plan your dream dinner party. You can select the 3 artists you like, and Spotify will make you a playlist of their most popular songs and songs by artists like them. Add mixes to your library to save the playlist. Once the slideshow is complete, you can share this to Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, Twitter, Messages, or copy the link. And there you go, that is a new feature in Spotify called the Only You. You can replay the slideshow, or you can end the slideshow by tapping on the X. And there you go, that is a new feature in Spotify called the Only You. My name is Karthik and you're watching Simple Dad. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.